Mom, do you want to eat your fruit? Mom, want to eat your fruit? Here, want to eat that? No, I don't want it. You eat it. You eat it. I don't want it.
You want me to eat it?
Yeah, I want you to eat
I
it.
can eat it. I ain't no problem with that.
Don't
I was
scratch.
just thinking about it.
Okay, don't scratch. You're making sores.
I was just thinking about eating it because I hadn't ate anything for a while.
Okay, go ahead. Have a bite. Is it good?
It's good.
That's good.
You keep them here. I think this is rather pretty, don't you think?
It is pretty.
Yeah, I do too. I don't know where it came from
Me
being
neither.
pretty.
I don't know.
I don't even know where it came from being so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Is it good?
I was just trying to think of if I did that, then if my baby through with it, I wouldn't have to worrying about it.
Yeah.
So I guess I'll get back up in it and see what they're going to yell at me over it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mom. Hi.
I do.
Okay. What you see?
I think that looks real pretty around there. Do you think so?
I think so.
I think it's beautiful.
Yes, I do too.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I just thought we might could do that way and we could have it over.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Mom. Mom. Mother. Hi.
What are you talking about?
I just called your name.
Hi.
I just called your name and said hi.
Oh, okay. Whatever you want to do.
Okay.
Okay.
Love
I love
you.
you.
I love you.
Yeah, I love you.
Is it good? Oh, yeah, you like pineapple.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just talking on, thinking, I was thinking, well, we'll just go to do it. Or just, I didn't want to leave it out. I didn't want to leave it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
You ate it all.
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
I love you.
I love you.
Yeah. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Knowing how I love you would be it. I don't know how I would even tell you that.
Yeah.
I just want you to know that I love you that much.
Okay.
You're my baby. I want my baby right there. That's all I wanted, and I just wanted to get in there. And
Mom, what you thinking about?
I love you.
I love you. Oh, you
You're
squeezing?
my baby.
Yeah, you squeezing my fingers?
You're my baby, baby, baby. I love my babies.
I know you love your babies.
I love my babies.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard not to let go a minute.
It is
I
hard.
don't want to be let go of them.
No.
You reckon she likes that jar over here? Or
She might.